Hi everybody, welcome to Paper Wishes Weekly Webisodes. I'm Lene Gehrig, and today I have a great collection of diamond painting card kits from our friends at My Sparkle Art, or also Creative World of Crafts. They're from the UK, and look at all these cute designs. We have deer, we have cute little ducky. They all have a little bumblebee with them. Here's a little mouse, a cute little dog, and a horse. I'm going to show you how to put these together and how fun they are, and show you my finished product at the very end. And as always, we will have a giveaway card. You'll have to wait until the end to see what it looks like. So come play with us. All right, I thought I'd give you a better look at all of these cards. These are 7x7 cards, but I would really describe them as just like, they're more of like a home decor situation. Like, I've seen these framed before. They're absolutely gorgeous. So once again, these are from the Bumble and Buddies collection. This one is Bo and Bumble. I would assume Bo is the cute little horse. And you would just peel this back, and then this is the tacky bit right there. All right, so this one is Beck and Bumble. And this one is Bubble and Bumble. This one is Bashful and Bumble. Look cute. And then finally, we've got Bamba and Bumble. And this is the one I am going to be putting together. So let's take it out, see what we've got. Okay, they come with an envelope, which is very handy. Check out the inside here. So if you were going to mail or hand deliver, put a nice little greeting right here. We have lots of Dazzle stickers that would look fantastic there. All right, we've got our little tool kit right here. When I've done these in the past, the only thing I've needed to bring in is just like a little pair of scissors to like cut open the little beads. They've just been so handy. All right, so here we're gonna go. This is our little applicator tool. They give you some little storage bags for your extra beads, which is nice. You've got your little wax bit, and it's covered with a little bit of clear backing, so it's not sticking to everything. And you've got your little textured tray. All right, then we've got all of our little beads. Okay, let's see how many colors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 different colors. Okay, and what I like to do is start and let's just cut these apart. And when you're cutting them apart, you want to make sure that you're not cutting into the actual bag contents, because then you're going to have beads going everywhere. Some people like to leave these connected and use them as they go, but I kind of like to start in certain areas. Like, I'll probably do the little bumblebee at first. And here's why. When you're doing this little bumblebee, he's right there in the right-hand corner, so I like to just peel back just like this, so I'm not getting the sticky, I'm not getting my hands on the other sticky part. This is very tacky. So normally I would just take a little piece of tape, and you could just tape this down right there to keep it in place. And then we're going to go to these are all have little tiny letters on them. Each letter corresponds with a color, and each one corresponds with a pack of that color. So this is G. We're going to be doing the bumblebee, and I'm not going to be doing this whole thing right now. I'm just going to show you the basics and then come back and show you what it looks like when we're done. All right, so you pour some of those in there, and then this is why this tray has little ridges on it. You shake it, and then those ridges will help turn those little flat-sided jewel things right side up. It's amazing. It's a miracle. I don't know how it works. It's science. So now we've got a little kind of a hollow tube tip here, and we're just going to peel back some of this plastic backing, and we're going to fill that tube with just some wax. And I like to have it just stick up just a tiny little bit like that. All right, now we're going to take that tacky little part, and we're just going to take that and we're going to put it on a G. You're just going to go like this. It's very helpful to sit at a table. I would watch your posture. and have good lighting. And these are phenomenal for the winter months, you guys, when you're home and you have like a podcast you're listening to, a book you're listening to, a TV show, and it just goes very, very quickly. And it's just, I've always, oop, I missed that one. And I've always just thought of it as like a paint by numbers with dimension. It's really the same idea as paint by numbers. And it's just highly entertaining. I can't describe to you. My daughter and I like to do these in the winter time. Go. And then what you can do when you're done with that section, do that. And they are really going to stay in place. Okay. And then you would just go to the next color, which is C, which is kind of a black, and then D, and you're just going to keep going. So very fun to do. And when we come back, you guys, this is going to be done. And I'm going to show you what else I did to the card to embellish that. All right, everybody, I finished my card. It's so sweet. I think you can see the texture right here. And zoom in a little bit and see the beads. They're so sparkly and pretty. And it was so fun and easy to do, you guys. I just sat there and was watching TV and I was just placing the beads. It was so quick and easy to do. Let me show you what else I added to this just to give it a little bit more of a full greeting card experience here. So at the top and the bottom, I added gold thin line dazzle stickers, which just peel right off just like this. And they're so great to just run them across the edge here. I like to put them on like a gridded craft mat so I can see the lines coming out from either side and get them straight. But you could do that with a piece of notebook paper or anything like that, where you just set it down, and as long as the notebook paper lines are straight, you'll have a guide where to place those. And then also we've got inside outside dazzle greetings right here. I chose the gold ones. You make me smile, and it comes with the little butterflies. And then on the inside, I added the thinking of you, and then more of those gold border dazzles, but I also used Joyful Christmas 6x6 pattern cardstock. Not because this is a Christmas card, because they have fantastic plaids. I like to use this year round, and I use this little tan plaid right there, which I thought went really well with that sweet little deer. So cute. So you guys, as you can see, these kits are really fun and easy to put together. I think they're kind of a step above some of the ones that we've had in the past with the sweet little artwork. And so I will remind you, we have the horse. This is Bo and Bumblebee. Beck and Bubble, which is the dog. We've got the little Bubble and Bumble, which is the little duck. And they all have little bumblebees. And then this one is Bashful and Bumble. And don't forget our little deer and Bumble. So we have a fantastic money saver on this collection. It's on the right-hand side of the screen. And don't forget, if you look down below the video, you'll see these items listed individually. If you're watching us on YouTube, then all you have to do is find the link below the video in the description box, and it'll take you right to this Paper Wishes webisode page. And yeah, there's information about our giveaway at the end of the video. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you in the next one.